Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Music and Arts, Grade 5, Quarter 2, Lesson 5 to 6. Our topic for today is about mediums, patterns, and symbolism in art. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competency. Assess sample works based on the personal meanings derived from the early Philippine performing and visual arts. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to A. Explain the concept of personal meanings and its impact to performing and visual arts. B. Describe the personal meanings and cultural significance derived from the creative works of the province or region. C. Evaluate relevant creative works of the province or region based on the personal meanings derived from the early Philippine performing and visual arts. Contents. First, concept of personal meanings and its impact to performing and visual arts. Second, personal meanings and cultural significance derived from the creative works of the province or region. Third, relevant creative works of the province or region based on the personal meanings derived from the early Philippine performing and visual arts. Fourth, exploring the mediums, patterns, and practices of the early Philippine music and arts. Week 6, Day 1. Let's have the worked example. To further understand the lesson, watch the following example. Worked example, guide questions. Number 1. Discuss how this video relates to the cultural significance in your region. Answer. This video shows how art can express our love for the country. It reminds me how our region values bravery and freedom, just like what we see in school plays and local celebrations. Number 2. Which aspects of Filipino culture are represented in the creative work shown? Answer. The video shows Filipino culture through the language, traditional clothes, and the story of love and sacrifice. It also shows values like respect and love for the country. Number 3. Identify the various art forms that are included in this creative work. Answer. The creative work includes acting, singing, dancing, and stage design. These art forms help tell the story in a more exciting and colorful way. Number 4. Explain how the inclusion of different art forms enhance the overall presentation of the creative work. Answer. Using different art forms made the show more interesting. The acting, songs, and dances work together to make the story easier to understand and more fun to watch. Week 6, Day 2. Lesson activity number 2. Let's evaluate. Each group will be given example pieces of relevant works to evaluate by considering the individual interpretations drawn from the early performing and visual arts of the Philippines, as indicated by your responses in the prior task. Group 1, Bulul Statues. Group 2, batok tattooing. Group 3, kulintang music. Group 4, hudhud chants of Ifugao. Activity number 2, let's evaluate. Answer the guide questions as your basis in accomplishing the activity. Level 1, describe the things you see in the picture. Level 2, describe symbolism you see in the picture. Level 3, describe the overall picture. Level 4, state their personal meanings derived from the early Philippine performing and visual arts. Learners' takeaways. My aha moments. Complete the sentence. Before, I thought that blank. But after listening to the lesson, I found out that blank. And that is my aha moment. Aha! Formative assessment. Multiple choice. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1. What is the significance of the manunggul jar? A. It is a traditional Filipino musical instrument. B. It is a famous painting by Fernando Amorsolo. C. It is an ancient burial jar from the Philippines. Or D. It is a type of ritual dance. Answer C. It is an ancient burial jar from the Philippines. Number 2. Which of the following is an example of early Philippine vocal music? A. Tinikling. B. Kulintang. C. Hudhud chants of Ifugao. Or D. Zarzuela. Answer C. Hudhud chants of Ifugao. Number 3. Which of the following is an example of early Philippine visual arts? A. Tinikling. B. Maranao Okir carvings. C. Zarzuela. Or D. Hudhud chants of Ifugao. Answer B. Maranao Okir carvings. Number 4. What type of dance is tinikling? A. Hip-hop. B. Ballet. C. Jazz. Or D. Traditional Filipino dance. Answer D. Traditional Filipino dance. Number 5. What is the main characteristic of kulintang music? A. It consists of bamboo instruments. B. It involves a series of gongs laid horizontally. C. It is performed solo. D. It is primarily used for storytelling purposes. Answer B. It involves a series of gongs laid horizontally.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!